This is Basics of Forex Part 1. Let's get right into it. What exactly is Forex? Forex is foreign exchange. It is the largest decentralized financial market that has approximately $6 trillion exchanged daily. This means, unlike the New York Stock Exchange, the Forex market does not have a centralized location. So, what exactly is traded on this foreign exchange market? Let's take a deeper look into that. In short terms, money. Traders can participate in the market by trading currencies, commodities, cryptocurrencies, indices, and other assets. The currencies are divided into two categories, major pairs and minor pairs. The major currencies are the most traded currencies and represent the largest economies of the world. Examples include United States, the UK, Euro, Japan, Canada, Switzerland, Australia, and New Zealand. The major pairs are major currencies that are paired with the US dollar. Examples include GBP USD, Euro USD, and many more. On the other hand, we have minor pairs. Minor pairs are major currencies that are not paired with the US dollar, but are paired with other major currencies, such as Euro GBP, GBP CAD, GBP JPY, and more. There are many more currencies outside of this list, so let's look into how to read the currency codes. The first two letters represent the name of the country, and the last letter represents the name of the currency. For example, USD, US stands for United States, and the D is for dollar. JPY, JP stands for Japan, and the Y is for yen. Next thing to note is the market sessions. The Forex market is open from Sunday 5 p.m. Eastern Time to Friday 5 p.m. Eastern Time. The trading times may differ according to time of the year. Due to daylight savings, there is a shift in the market twice a year, once during spring and summer, and the other around fall and winter. As you may notice, there tends to be market overlaps, so let's dive into those. First, I want to note that the Sydney session and the Tokyo session make up the Asian session. The first overlap is between the Asian market close and the London market open. The second most important overlap is between the London market and the New York session open. This is considered to be the most liquid and most traded session in the foreign exchange market. These overlaps are also dependent on the time of the year, like the market sessions.